Alright guys, so before we begin the video of me doing my brows so that you guys can see, I'm going to talk about the products that I use. So I do use a lip pencil by NK Makeup, and it is the A13 Coffee, and this is what it looks like. So the color is A13 and it's the coffee color. Not sure if you can see it, kind of more like a dark brown. To clean up my brows once I draw them on, as far as the concealer, I use a product by Ultra HD Cream Concealer, and that's this product here. To clean my brows up with the concealer, I use a concealer brush by Ruby Kisses, and that is this brush right here, guys. When I am shading in my brows and wanting to kind of get the filling in, guys, I use the brow brush here by Ruby Kisses as well. So you'll see that here. And of course you want to have a pencil sharpener, because for each brow I usually sharpen my pencil again, guys. And I also have the RK by Kiss. I use a face creator, like kind of like a tint, so the concealer may be too bright on my eyebrows, so I'll typically use a chocolate color to bring it back to my skin tone so that it's not so bright. And these are the items that I use to do my brows, guys. And I also, prior to doing my brows, I like to have some makeup remover, guys. If you could see that, makeup remover towels. You want to clean your face, make sure there is no oil or any past product build on your eyebrows, so that they are very smooth and easy to do. And you can get those from Dollar Tree. That's where I get those towels from, and my other products I just simply get them from the beauty supply store. Alright, so those are the products. I am going to list them in the description below, and so you guys can know what you need to purchase just in case you want to use the same thing. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into these brows so you won't hear me talking much. You're just kind of gonna watch my routine. I will show each product that I'm going to use when I'm doing it, and let's get going with these brows, guys.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treating me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. So that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. 'Cause everything turns to nothing so easily. And now you ain't there, it's so clear to see. Like, why were you acting suspiciously? You said that you needed some room to breathe, and all I ever wanted was your honesty. I just don't know what to believe. Just don't lie to me. I can feel your about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. I can't feel your heart racing. 'Cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking of every single time. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can't feel your heart racing. 'Cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking of every single time. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can feel your heart racing. 'Cause everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. I can't feel your heart racing. 'Cause everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can't feel your heart racing. 'Cause everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. 'Cause everything turned to nothing so easily. And now you ain't there, it's so clear to see. Like, why were you acting suspiciously? You said that you needed some room to breathe. And all I ever wanted was your honesty.